Since we first met, we've really enjoyed being adventurous.
There's always something that you need to carry, and you want to keep that close and safe. So I knew that there was a solution that we needed to create. That's when we started to explore offering these minimalist yet expressive carry accessories. The challenge was, how do we succeed in a very competitive market with very tight margins? Search ads really helped us identify where there's opportunity, and that helped us realize we could actually go deeper into the wallet category. In 2020, Black Friday sales grew 58%, and the company exceeded its top-line revenue goals.
We've done a lot of deep diving, understanding who was looking at our ads and interacting with our campaigns online.
This allowed Thread to acquire customers who might not have been searching for the company directly, but were ready to purchase.
We learned that crossbody bags were keywords that were searched in high volume.
It was definitely a different product than we've ever done, but it's performed very well. The Google tools have helped us grow, and it's been fun to see the scale and the growth and everything that we've built along the way.
When you can bring forth best practices and all the data that supports it, that is priceless. It was McKenzie and I for 2.5 years. Fast forward, and we're at 52 employees.
The fact that we're at a point where we are employing people, giving them the lifestyle they want and a career that they feel like they're thriving in, that's what we're most proud of.